In today's video, I'll show you how to change notification settings on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the section called Notifications. Within here, we can customize each of the settings. First, you might want to enable or disable notifications for finished downloads. Below this, there are some separate sections to change, for example the friend notification settings, where you can choose to enable or disable things like notifications for when friends go online. There's also platinum point notifications and alarm notifications to customize. You could then choose to enable or disable the notification sound, so you could leave notifications on but turn off the sound. That's how to change notification settings on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.